Okay, these Flycolors are the worst. It's not like it connects through these. It connects to these pins. I'll never get one with these stupid pins again. Because, like, off the flight controller, that board lifted up, and I had resoldered it down. There's a bad connection in there. And the ESC always fries out. So here's my workaround. I clipped the pins. Hold on 1 second there, stud muffin.
Is my flip truck done? Is my flip truck done?
Let me see. Check out these flip trucks.
That's the flip truck.
First RC car for the Bubble Boo here. And it is awesome. We're charging it up. It's still charging. Look, it's red. Comes with this little battery. I think it's like $20. That's pretty dope. Anyway, Flycolor. Not these. Don't get these. The ESC's burn out.
Can I play with that?
Oh, hey, Bub. How old did you just turn? How old did you turn?
Look how big I am.
You're huge. Are you fast? Are you so fast? Show me. I love how kids think they're so fast. Make your hands look like you're going fast. You run it. Whoa! He is booking. All right, we're done running in the house. What happened? Did you run into the door?
I run like.
It's red. Let me see. Oh, you're fine, dude. It's red. All right, when that red light's off, it'll be time to play. Solder your iron into your motor. I'm not quite sure how that happened. I'm not resoldering. It was like the third time I pulled that off there. I'll get it. Yeah.
You should take a video of me driving it. I did pretty good.
You drive it into your face? This is one of the coolest toys I've seen on Amazon.
Another one.